Before starting this video, just imagine you have a small clothing shop. Every morning you wake up with lot of work. First, you create an Instagram post, product descriptions, and reply to customer messages, run Facebook and Google ads, and also update your website. By the time everything is done, the whole day is over. Now imagine something different. What if you have an employee who could do all these jobs for you? An employee who never gets tired, never asks for a holiday, work 24 hours a day, reply to customers in seconds, create social media post in minutes, write product description instantly, and even tell you which product are most likely to sell. The interesting part, it costs less than hiring a full-time employee. Sound impossible, but it's real. That employee is artificial intelligence. So the real question is, how is AI changing digital marketing? And more importantly, how can you start using AI even if you are a beginner? In this video, I'll explain everything with simple example that anyone can understand. So let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to VK Digital World. And today we are going to talk about something that's changing the future of digital marketing. That's artificial intelligence. Don't worry if you are new to AI. I'll explain everything in very simple example that anyone can understand. AI is not a robot. It's a simply smart software that can learn from data, understand patterns, and help us complete many tasks faster and smarter. Still sounds a little confusing? No problem. Let's understand with something we all use every day. Have you ever watched one video on YouTube and suddenly YouTube recommends another video that you actually want to watch? Or when you are shopping online, you have noticed that websites show you products you were just thinking about? Or when you type something in Google, it starts completing your sentence before you are finishing. Have you ever wondered how it knows? It's not a magic, it's a businesses use the same AI technology to create content, show ads to the right people, reply to customers quickly, and make better marketing decisions. That's why digital marketing is changing faster than ever before. Now let's talk about one of the biggest changes AI has brought to digital marketing is content creation. Imagine you are working as a digital marketer. One day your boss comes to you and says, "We are launching a new smartwatch next week. We need a full marketing campaign." A few years ago, this could take a lot of time. First, you write an Instagram caption, then Facebook post. Next, you create a blog. After that, you write an email for customers. Then you prepare Facebook and Google ads. You spend hours writing, editing, and thinking of new ideas. By the time everything is ready, 2 or 3 days are gone. Now let's see how it works today. The marketer opens an AI tool like ChatGPT and type one simple prompt. Create a marketing campaign for smartwatches for college students. Within minutes, AI gives almost everything. It writes Instagram captions, it creates Facebook and LinkedIn posts, it suggests blog topics, it writes email subject line, it can even suggest video ideas and image concepts. Sounds amazing, right? But here is something very important. AI does not replace the marketer. It only gives the first draft, but the final decision is always yours. AI is not replacing human creativity. That is the real power of artificial intelligence. Now let's talk about another amazing way AI is changing digital marketing. Let me ask you a simple question. Imagine you own a company that sells protein powder. You have money to run only one advertisement. For which person you give up first preference? Person A goes to the gym almost every day, watches fitness videos on YouTube, search for workout tips, and buy protein powder regularly. Now look at person B. This person loves cooking, watch recipe videos, search for new dishes, and buys kitchen accessories. So who would you choose? Of course, person A, because this person is much more likely to buy your product. Now here is the real challenge. On the internet, there is not just two people. There are millions of people. Can a human check every person's interest one by one? No, that's impossible. And this is where AI become powerful. AI can analyze millions of people in just few seconds. Using all this information, AI find the people who are most likely to buy your product. So instead of showing ad to everyone, shows your ad to the right people. This help businesses save money, get better result and increase sales. Let me ask you something. Have you ever shopped online late at night? In that time, you find the perfect pair of shoes. You are ready to place the order, but suddenly you have few questions. Is my size available? How many days will delivery take? Can I return it if it doesn't fit? So you click on chat with us. Then you see our customer support team will available from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. That means you have to wait until the next morning. But today things are very different. Many businesses use AI chatbots. These chatbots give you an instant reply, whether your size is in stock or not, the expected delivery date, the return and refund policy, and the current status of your order. It works 24 hours a day. Customers get faster service, businesses save time and money. This is the powerful way AI changing digital marketing and improving the customer experience. Now, here is the biggest question. Will AI replace digital marketers? Maybe you've been thinking, should I still learn digital marketing if AI can do so much? Let's discuss yes or no. Let me explain with a simple example. Think about a calculator. When calculators are introduced, many people thought accountants are lost their jobs. But it was happen? No. Calculators not replace accountants. They simply help them calculate faster and save time. AI works exactly in the same way. It can read content, it can generate ideas, it can analyze data, it can create reports, and many tasks. If you think AI is an engine, you are the driver. Now, let's see. What did we learn today? AI is not here to replace digital marketers. But the most important thing, the future belongs to people who know how to combine human creativity with AI technology. So, don't fear AI. Start learning it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. It really helps this video to reach more people. And comment below. I am ready to learn AI. I read every comment and I love to hear your thoughts. Subscribe to VK Digital World for simple and practical videos on digital marketing, AI, freelancing, and career tips. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep growing with VK Digital.